In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to your email, enabling you to receive notifications and responses seamlessly. This process can greatly enhance the efficiency of managing responses and keeping track of important submissions. Let's jump right in and begin this straightforward journey of connecting your Google Forms to your email. Firstly, open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms, http://forms.google.com. Once you're there, you can create a new form or choose an existing one that you'd like to link with your email. Next, ensure you've named your form and added any necessary questions or sections. This allows your form to be properly structured for when respondents fill it out. Now that your form is set up, let's get it sending notifications. Go to the Responses section, which can be found at the top of your form. Here, you'll notice a green spreadsheet icon. Click it to create a Google Sheets file that will collect all the form responses. This is an essential step because the spreadsheet will act as a bridge between Google Forms and your email. You can either create a new spreadsheet for this form or select an existing one as long as it's appropriate for the task. Once your responses are being recorded in a spreadsheet, it's time to set up email notifications. To do this, open your newly linked Google Sheets. At the top right corner, you'll see Tools. Click on Tools and select Notification Rules. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to specify the conditions under which you'll receive email alerts. Here, you might want to choose to be notified when a user submits a form, ensuring no response goes unnoticed. After setting your preferred notification conditions, click Save. This will ensure you're promptly notified once anyone submits a form. For advanced settings, you might also consider using add-ons like Google Forms email notifications from the Google Workspace marketplace. This add-on provides additional customization options, such as modifying email content or frequency of notifications. Double-check to ensure everything is set correctly by submitting a test response in your form. Navigate back to your email inbox, and shortly you should see a notification email reflecting the submission. This step is crucial to make sure everything functions as intended. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Google Forms to your email, ensuring you receive timely notifications whenever there are new submissions. This connection can be a huge time saver and makes handling data smoother and more efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy form making.